What if I told you that saying nothing can be just as harmful as doing the wrong thing? In a world where cruelty often unfolds in plain sight, staying silent isn't neutrality, it's complicity. History is filled with moments when silence allowed injustice to grow unchecked. Think back to World War II. Ordinary citizens watched as their neighbors were taken away and most said nothing. Or closer to home, when people ignore bullying or look away from discrimination, their silence gives cruelty a free pass. Voltaire once warned, "Those who can make you believe absurdities can make you commit atrocities." When we don't speak up, absurd ideas go unchallenged. Lies start to sound like truth, and over time, the unthinkable becomes reality. It's tempting to believe that by doing nothing we're not part of the problem. But silence always takes a side. It comforts the oppressor and abandons the oppressed. Maybe you've heard the saying, "The only thing necessary for the triumph of evil is for good people to do nothing." It's more than just a cliché, it's a warning. Speaking out can be uncomfortable or even risky, but the cost of silence is far greater. If we truly value justice and compassion, we can't afford to stay quiet. Because in the face of cruelty, silence isn't just the absence of words, it's the presence of consent.